Now, most probably you've heard about detoxing or the term detox when it comes to losing body fat or actually cleansing your own body. But today I want to tell you about the digital detox, in which you cleanse your brain. And one of the important aspects in terms of your overall health is your mental abilities. How healthy are you between your ears, literally? So, in order to, especially nowadays, to have quality of life, you should allocate a certain period of time where you disengage from any influence in terms of technology. If you are using your phones, tablets, iPads, computer extensively day in and day out, you might not be quite aware that the rays, the blue rays, just being exuded from those screens day in and day out, they're going to be wreaking havoc in terms of your mental health, your hormonal profile, even your eyesight. In order for you to get quality living, and in my own opinion, quality living reflects back to old times living, nature oriented, going outdoors, being exposed to the seasons, sunlight, daylight, nighttime. All of these natural elements we as humans are wired to engage with. So if you disengage from that aspect and you're engaging with technology day in and day out, it's a matter of time before you pay the price. You'll feel less motivated, you feel more stressed, you have health complications. And here's what you should be doing. Follow these steps. For a period of 1 to 2 weeks, disengage fully. Think about it as a digital detox where you have no access to social media, no access to computers, emails, screens, TVs. Go for the old school phone. If someone wants to talk to you, they will send you an SMS and pay for it, or they give you a call, literally. No direct messaging. Go for a book, go for a walk within the daytime or the nighttime. For a period of 1 to 2 weeks, you will feel refreshed beyond limits. That will help you shift your life and shift your focus in a way that you haven't been exposed to before. Unfortunately, nowadays we live in a world where we're exposed to technology all the time. Electromagnetic forces, EMFs, electrical signals, all of these, they interact with our brain functions. Your brain has electrical signals. It has literally electricity passing through within your brain in the form of synapses between the neurons. So if you expose yourself to a continuous influx of electricity, light, technology, sounds, all of these are going to be impacting your mental abilities and your performance. No wonder why nowadays, with all of the technology advancements, people are more depressed than ever. Why? There's a reason. Apply these steps, go for a digital detox for 1 to 2 weeks. No phones, no emails, no screens. Get connected with nature, be out there, walk, present, breathe, expose your eyes to sunlight. It will have wonders on your brain. Follow for more, join our profile, and hopefully, I truly hope that it actually helped you and it adds benefit to your overall growth, helping you get quality living in terms of health and wealth. Join our community. I'll see you in the next video.